Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. Working with some Nova Shakes today, baby. Mitten Building Products, half rounds, pal. I'll give you a quick tip when you're laying out your half rounds here, buddy. I believe the manufacturer says I want 1.25 inch cut here. We're not going to get a guy measure each one, buddy. Take your level, that's 2 5/8. Simply line your level up with the bottom of those there half rounds, boys. Line her up. Run that pencil across. Boom. That's where you're going to cut for your bottom row, lads. It's going to tuck into a J trim that's weeped out. Stuff's great. We use our DeWalt nailers to put this down, our multi-saw to cut it. Whew. This comes out slicker than a goose foot in a pig hole, by. I can't blame that. Cleaner than your uncle's basement, buddy. Carry on.